Today we are making a M&M chocolate chip cookie cake, and I'm just saying, who doesn't love a huge chocolate chip cookie, because that's what we're making. Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. This recipe is a super easy and simple one. As far as the M&Ms, I just put them on my cutting board and I chopped them up because I wanted them to incorporate into the batter a little bit better. And then of course we threw some chocolate chips in. We're gonna add this to our pan and make sure your pan is greased. It's just an 8-inch cake pan. All I do is wipe it with shortening and then put a dust of flour. And then we bake it till it's golden brown. Then we're gonna add the glaze. This cookie was as good as it looks, you guys. So yummy. I mean, really, it's a huge chocolate chip cookie. Thanks so much for watching here at Shalise Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.